Bengal.
From Nidhi TV Learning English, this is the Technology Report. The Internet is one of the most popular forms of technology. It is the latest means of communication. It has greatly influenced our lifestyle. It plays an important role in the field of trade and commerce. At present, people can buy and sell their things without going to market. Students can read books without going to library. In short, people can know the world affairs through internet in a very short time. So the world is now like a small. There are many bad sides of using internet. China has many teenagers have grown dependent on the internet. China calls them internet addicts. In fact, China says that internet addiction is the biggest threat to its teenagers. Some critics even call the internet electronic heroin. In 2008, China became one of the first countries to declare a medical condition of internet addiction. China has over 20 million internet addicts. China is not only country for internet addiction. South Korea has opened over 100 treatment centers for teenagers. Finally, I will say you should not use internet all time. For Nidhi TV Learning English, I am Arif Rabbani. Thank you so much.